Very warm good morning to my lovely students. Hope you all are doing well at home and enjoying your online classes. And I hope that you enjoyed Raksha Bandhan. So babies, we are back with our English classes. As you know that we are doing chapter 6, A Young Girl and Her Diary. And we were doing exercise work of this chapter. So today we are going to continue with the same, and in today's session we are going to complete its exercise work. So let's start with its language structure. So in language structure, first topic is phrasal verbs. Now before doing question, let's understand what is phrasal verbs. Verbs, when used with some preposition and adverbs, and it conveys a different meaning. Such verbs are called phrasal verbs. So let's do question B. Find the meaning of following phrasal verbs. Number 1 is break into, and it means enter or open a place forcibly. It means you can say when we enter at a place without anyone's permission and we forced to enter that place, that is called break into. Number 2, get over, which means survive. Number 3, sort out, means resolve a problem. Join in, it means to do an activity with people who are already doing it. Then look after, it means take care of. Carry on, which means continue an activity. Make out means detection, and break down means stop working. Now next topic is interjections. We have already learnt about it in grammar, and interjections are the expressions of exclamation that show strong emotions. For example, hooray, alas, oh, bravo, etc. So here we have question C. Match the following interjections with emotions. So number 1 is wow. So what is wow? Wow is interjection of impressed. Then ouch, it is interjection of pain. Oh, this is surprise. Hooray, that is joy. Ew, interjection of disgust. Oops, reacting to a mistake. Then alas, grief or sorrow. Hey, that is greetings. We say hey or hi. Then na, that is saying no. Ya, that is saying yes. Now next is grammar Glee, and in grammar Glee it's all about verb and different forms of verb, as well as regular verbs and irregular verbs. Now we have just done in last week that in English grammar about different forms of verb. So here we are going to learn about regular verbs and irregular verbs. And now what are regular verbs? The verbs which form their past form of verb, which we say second form, and past participle form, which we say third form of verb, by adding ed at the end, are called regular verbs. For example, if there is talk, that is root form of verb, so its second form is talked and third form is also talked. Like that, walk, walked, walked. And you can take many examples. For example, check, check, checked, checked. So such verbs are called regular verbs. Now what are irregular verbs? The verbs which do not form their second or third form like regular verbs, like do, does, or you can say do, did, done, or see, saw, seen. And you can take more examples: put, 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 cut, 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 bent, 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 etc. Now question A of grammar Glee says fill in the blanks with correct form of verbs. First, let me tell you, it has 12 parts. I have done 6, and remaining parts you have to do yourself. So number 1 is he drank all the milk. Number 2, the boys have gone home. Why I have written gone? Because have is there. So after has, have, or had, there must be third form of verb. Now number 3, Babita sat on the bench. Number 4, they had chosen the wrong road. They did the best that they could. Now, number 6, I thought you had broken your leg. Then, now last question, that is question C. So, before that, there is question B, which you have to do yourself, because there you have to write 3 forms of verb of different verbs, and you have to tell that that is regular or irregular verb. So, I think you can do that yourself. Let's do question C. I have done few parts here. You have to do remaining parts yourself. So it's just solution I have written, like Ruby. This is Tarun's bag. Instead of the bag belongs to Tarun. Then next Megha, here it's Karan's diary. In place of the diary belongs to Karan. Next Neha, that Ruby one, right Neha, and these are in place of pencils belong to Nana. I have written Nana's pencils. And the last one, Bonnie's crayons. In that way you have to do remaining part. That's all for today. We are done with chapter. So what to do? Learn and revise this chapter for pen paper test. That will be tomorrow in live class. So till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.